Hey guys, so in today's video I will be showing you how to make these cute bath bombs which will be perfect for yourself or as a gift. So all you'll be needing is a bowl and measuring cups, some cornstarch, baking soda and citric acid, and of course you would want any kind of mold, some food coloring and some essential oils for your preference, and a spray bottle and a spoon. Then you want to measure 1 cup of citric acid and put that in the bowl, and then after you would want to measure 2 cups of baking soda and half a cup of cornstarch, and then you would want to combine that all together to make sure that there aren't any lumps in the mixture. And what might be really useful is to use a whisk rather than a spoon or a fork. Next you want to add the food coloring, so I'm using this red color which will actually turn out to be more of a pinkish color, but you can choose really any color you want and you can make any designs you want with different colors. But you just want to add as much food coloring as you want to get your desired color, but be aware that it might fizz while you add the food coloring, so you want to mix quite quickly after you've added the shade. After that you will want to add your essential oils, so I use this orange scent which is a really fresh scent which I thought would be really nice while you're taking a bath or shower, because you could actually use these for a shower as well. And then you want to make sure that all the scent is combined throughout the entire mixture, and that's basically it. And after that you just want to use your spray bottle and lightly spray some water onto the mixture, and I feel like using a spray bottle will give it a bit more of an even layer on the mixture and without adding too much water, if that makes sense. So you just want to combine that, and I'm using my hands because then you can feel if it's wet enough or if it needs to have a little bit more water. So you just want to combine that all together until it's the right texture. And then a test that I do to check if it is that I grab a bit of the mixture and I make a fist out of my hands so it has a shape, and then I drop it, and if it keeps its shape then it is the right texture, and then you can move on to the next step. So I'm going to use this round plastic container bowl shaped thing which you can get at any craft store really. And firstly I'm putting a decorative edible flower inside as a decoration, and then I'm adding the mixture. And when you're adding the mixture you want to make sure that it is quite tight so it doesn't leave any air bubbles. So it doesn't matter if it takes a few tries, because that's what happens to me every time I make these, because this was actually also the first time that I made these in a bowl shape. So you just want to add the mixture in on both sides, and then after you fill them up on both sides you want to put them together and just kind of squeeze them together until it basically joints together. I hope this makes sense, but you can just see what I'm doing. And then after a few seconds you can basically release one side of it. That is what I normally do so that the other side won't get damaged. And then I thought to spice it a little up, so I added some cosmetics glitter into the mixture, and I just mixed that all up so it was all evenly combined. And then I just took some ice cube tray silicone molds and I just added the mixture in there. So you want to do exactly the same thing, so you just want to put little by little of the mixture into the molds and then just push it down so it reaches every single side and that you won't have any air bubbles. And as you can see, I was able to make quite a lot more of the little bath bombs. So basically you can do anything you want, you can add any colors you want or any decorations you want, and it will leave you with a cute design. And if you mess up, it totally doesn't matter, because that will make your bath bombs really unique instead of the perfect store-bought ones that you can buy at the supermarket or any other store where they sell bath bombs. And after they have dried for a couple of hours by air or by the freezer, because you can put them in the freezer, but I just let them dry by air because I just prefer doing that. But then after that you just want to put them on a tray or a plate, and that's what I did, so they can dry even further, and then you're just left with your perfectly made bath bombs. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please give this video a big thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel down below for more videos in the future, and let me know if you've made these bath bombs as well and if they worked for you. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!